right here. That's look. It's deep enough right there.
Rocking.
First.
There you go.
He did.
Yes.
Swim. Man,
Go get the swimming, Joe.
Man, what a bad spot for that.
That's great.
It's upside down?
Yeah.
Where's that kayaking guy? Go flip me over.
There's somebody go push him in, Rich. Bring him in.
Oh, man. Just enough to catch the corner to knock it over.
Oh, you got it. Just got it. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Uh-oh. Now we got a pile. Knock them off.
I think problem is there's really no knocking them off.
You're going in, Ope?
Oh, he's swimming.
Oh, this is going to be good.
Somebody's got to do it.
I don't know if I want one of these things.
I don't. Look at that one.
Are they both stuck out there?
Can you slowly? Hang on.
Take that other one and ram them.
Yeah, that doesn't end up good ever, because I end up on top too then. Ooh!
Yeah, I'm going to have more war wounds.
The problem is you got a metal prop too. So
And he sharpened it.
I just sharpened it too. Just chopped a hole in it.
oh, I missed them.
Come on, Charlie. Get swimming.
Hang on.
Riding in the truck on the way back home.
Right in the back.
I can't see if I'm like close to him or not.
Well, the good thing is you got a wind blowing this way. Put a sail on it. Charlie won't flip it over then.
Yeah, it'll drift back
I need
eventually.
to put sponsons on both sides to keep it from
You
falling.
got him.
Kind
Oh, I got no power now.
Oh, no.
Oh, come on.
Seriously, I lost. Oh, there it goes.
There you go. Oh, that's follow the other.
I thought it was going to hit me.
Come on, Charlie. See how deep it is. You might be able to walk all the way there. Get to swimming.
Now that's funny right there.
Oh, yeah, that's got entertainment value all over it.
Oh, Jimmy's got it on video.
Keep buzzing him. Keep buzzing him.
Give him a good dose.
I just want to hit him.
Yeah, he is walking a long ways out there. Ain't he?
Yeah, it's not that deep.
Come on, swim,
It's
Chunky.
getting shallower. You sure ain't getting any wetter.
Get to swimming.
He's going to take one step and you're just going to watch his head go under.
Right?
Oh,
That's a good entertainment value right there. I'm not. Oh, look at him go now. He's getting up. It's getting deep.
About 20 minutes?
About 20 minutes.
Oh, there he's got to go swimming.
Rooster tail him.
That just makes it even funner.
That was Paul's, man. Get a rooster tail coming off that thing.
Are you up and running, Rich?
What do you do with this remote?
Well, his won't drive back in.
No, the remote's right here. Yeah. Oh, we got more wounds now. Let go of it.
At least the
Way
boat's
too
here.
much weight up front.
Okay.
Look at that. Way too much weight up front. That's a curve. That's just does donuts.
That's what mine does.
It's full of water too. Look at it sinking.
It's been upside down for the last 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's probably full of. Oh,
You got way too much weight up front.
He's got his motor set way too freaking wrong.
I got no weight up front because I put my band.